of our Paris tour.
It's so hot.
We are going to this place. Museum. Masyadong matagal yung biyahe namin. Dapat 12 hours naging 1 day. Sabi niyo yung biyahe. Kamusta yung biyahe?
Ano what's the
Mark, how's the biyahe?
Oh, tomato.
Nandito na ngayon kami sa loob ng Palace ng France. So, maganda ba ang ng France? Malaki pa sa Sundron.
Suna is here.
Nice.
Suna.
Bigger than Sundron. At naghanap siya ng panakta. And this is Mariden. Supa. And this is Sheila. Say hello, man.
Yes. Ito sa Carlos.
Wala siyang eyeball. Mintus.
Eyeball? No eyeball? No eyeball, okay?
Going back now.
Tapos na namin yung tour.
There's a black
Ito. Kung tanatanong nyo kung ano to, ito yung audio. Para malaman namin yung history. At babalikan namin sa ngayon. Mamayang gabi, pumunta kami sa Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, to be continued there.
So,
That's day 1.
so stay tuned.
Okay guys.
Stay tuned for later. Babu!